Hey guys, welcome. Daniel the Adjuster here for another update. Well, I told you hurricane season was here, but you didn't believe me. But look out there in the Gulf, there's storms all over the place. And yes, are you ready? That is the question. So we've got Fiona. Hey, went through Barbados. Very good chance there's going to be some damage there. You might get deployed there. Possibility. But we're watching Invest 9 or Tropical Storm 9, I guess it's coming out. It's going to be a category 2 or 3 storm by the time it gets into the Gulf. You have to remember, anything that builds up in the Caribbean is gonna, when it hits the Gulf, it's gonna heat up again and start to build. So this is the type of thing that happens very commonly when storms are getting started. They may have like a 40% chance of building or a 60% chance of building, but hey, these weathermen, they don't have a clue. They're just watching the weather just like you and I, and it can surprise them, just like this one that's gonna happen in the Gulf. Yes, it's going to be a big one. So are you ready? Have you got your licensing? Have you got your training? This is what I talked to you guys about back even just a couple months ago, just being ready for the storm season, knowing that it's going to happen. It happens every year. Everybody talks about, well, it's going to be a quiet year this year. Well, it might be, but it might be delayed. And then we're going to have these big storms and everyone's going to get to work. So, are you ready? Are you prepared? Are you trained? I hope so. And make sure that you have your Florida appointment set up. You can appoint yourself as the appointment. Make sure you go to Eappoint and make sure that you designate yourself as the primary person. You can put in a specific carrier or a specific firm. I don't recommend it. I just Eappoint yourself. Make yourself the entity. That way you can work for anybody and you don't have to change the name for every person that you work for. So be prepared. Get your cat bucket ready, all the stuff that you need to take on the road. Make sure it's packed, make sure it's ready, make sure you have all your maintenance done on your car, your tires are good shape, you got your fix-a-flat, all the things that you need in your cat bucket, make sure you are ready. Because if you get the call, you gotta be ready to go. Now, check your email, because if you're on rosters, you should be getting your emails blowing up like mine is right now. Everybody and their brother wants me to sign up for them and tell them I'm ready to go. So that's the fun part, is that once you're on these rosters, then everyone is going to be seeking you to come and sign up with them. So you have lots of opportunity there. Get signed up on them, tell them you're ready to go, and tell them you can be there in 24 hours and you'll be deployed in no time. So, Daniel the Adjuster, getting ready for the storms. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.